Prepositions of place let us know the location of something and how to find it. However, lots of these words can be used in other interesting ways. Today we're looking at the preposition along. When someone tells you that you have to go along a road to find what you're looking for, it means to move in a straight or constant direction. For example, you're looking for a restaurant in an unfamiliar town, and someone tells you that it's located along the road that you're on. You need to keep following that road, and you will find the restaurant. A different way that we can use the word along is in the phrase to get along with someone or a group of people, which means that you have a friendly relationship and you like each other. A lot of people get along with each other if they have things in common or similar interests. I can tell me and this guy are gonna get along. Ole, 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 ole.